Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to make Google your homepage on your Firefox browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to make your Google your homepage on your Mozilla Firefox browser, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Firefox browser. Click on this. After that, in right side you will find three horizontal lines. You have to click on that, then click on settings. In left side you will find home. Click on the home. Here you can see home and new windows. You have to just click on this, then click on custom URLs. Then enter your Google website www.google.com. Then close this window. Now if you open again, then you will find your Google as your search page on your Firefox. You can see now our Google has been set as homepage on your Firefox browser. That's it guys. In this way you can make Google your homepage on your Firefox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.